It is Saturday, August the 8th, and yeah, I think Stan dug all of the red potatoes. They were mounded pretty high, so they were not dirty at all. The white Eva were a little bit dirty, not muddy. So we washed them off in a bucket, and then yeah, there's the buckets. And then he has them in the shed with a fan on them, and then we have those potato bags or onion bags that have the holes in them. They look like netting, sort of. Wow, peppers are doing great. I hear a complaining black cat in the background. And there's the Campari, the lima beans. These are okay. He said the grasshoppers. We'll have to look. The grasshoppers were really eating the one row, and the cucumbers are just absolutely ridiculous, just crazy. And these are going to get ripped up because I planted sweet banana peppers, and they're Hungarian wax. They're hot. I gave some away to people, and I had to call them back and say, hey, if you didn't want hot ones, you better get rid of them. It was too late for one of them. Oh dear, that's what happens sometimes when you buy plants, haven't planted them yourselves. Okay, this is the jungle. More lima beans. And wow, I'll stand back a little bit. Okay, are these the ones? Oh, Stan said they were eaten to pieces. I mean, oh, I think the grasshoppers were eating the blossoms, is what it is. And yeah, there is some blight on the tomatoes now. He's going to stop watering them because we have enough tomatoes on there. I mean, we didn't need 40 plants. Probably 15 plants would have been fine. You know? Yeah, at least the sweet corn's all done. We've given away lots of green beans. They were really nice this year. And one cherry tomato plant is actually too many. And they're kind of crazy. Okay, that is it. Let's see if I can walk. I'll walk around so I don't get all muddy looking at the bee. Looking at the elderberries. I saw a goldfinch out here, even a female goldfinch that I don't usually see. So that's always nice. Okay, over here, let's look at the more green beans. Oh goodness. I don't think I can step through here. We'll just zoom in a little bit. So I think I'll have plenty of elderberries. Oh goodness, some of them are, look at that. Some of them are turning already. Huh. Well, we have to pick them before they drop to the ground. And then I'll freeze them. Okay, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Let's say the garden is full swing, or a little past full swing actually.